So many days have been passed, and we are just 1 week before the summer vacation. Do you think this year summer vacation has a special significance? Because both you or we have been having almost a vacation for a long time. The conditions, the situations are still in a question mark. When we are coming back to school, we don't know. But still, as we always say, the ball must roll on or the show must go on. And we are continuing with the lesson, the chapter that we started last week. We are going to finish it in this week. And we are continuing with the special type of forests. Today's topic of discussion is the desert forests, the littoral or the called mangrove forests, and the mountain forests. So in today's detailed discussion, we will be discussing about the desert forests. Now in India, these desert forests are known as the tropical desert forests. They are also called the thorn and the scrub forest because in this forest most of the plants or trees are thorny and scrubs. They are found in the regions where rainfall is less. It is less than 100 centimeter. These trees are also short in height. They are 6 meter to 10 meter tall. Their roots are widespread so that they can trap water from great depths. Even some of the trees have got fleshy stem instead of having so many leaves. Those stems can also store water, which help them to survive during the dry periods. And even some trees have thorns or sharp spines to protect themselves from animals. So you can see here the points from here till the end are explained to answer one questions: what are the adoptions made by the desert plants? And here you have a pic of the desert, okay, and you can see the most of the plants that are no such a big trees as such, the shrubs and then thorny plants, etc. So some important trees of the tropical desert forests. First of all, this vegetation mostly consists of thorny bushes, acacia, babul, kikar, and khajuri or khajur called dates. These are mostly found in India, in Rajasthan, Gujarat, southwest of Punjab, drier parts of Deccan Plateau and Andhra Pradesh. We also are supposed to know the importance some of the specific trees of this desert forest. One of them is babul. Babul yields gum. That means the benefit of babul is getting gum from this plant. Its barks are used for tanning hides and skins. Khajur or called dates, the fruits are very nutritious. They are medicinal too. They provide durable logs. The next topic for forests discussion is the littoral or called the mangrove forests. They are also called tidal forests. Now the word littoral means on shore. That means on the sea shore they are grown even when the shore is under salty water. They are commonly found along the coasts and the mouth of the rivers when the river joins the sea. Where the river joins the sea, that is called the mouth of the rivers. They can survive in fresh water as well as in the salt water. And some important trees of these mango grove forests are, the most important is Sundari, and other trees are also called Gurjan and Kintal. They are mostly found in the deltas of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna and Andaman Islands. Now the most important tree of these forests are Sundari. This is the most important tree. Bengal's Sundarbans are named after this tree. They are hard, strong and durable. They are used for boat building. So here you have got a pic of the mangrove forest. The trees which are shown at the back are Sundari, and you will find them at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra delta regions, that's towards the southmost part of West Bengal. The next topic of our forest discussion is the mountain forests. Let's begin with the pick of the mountain forests. Mountain forests, they are found mainly in the mountainous regions from Kashmir to Assam in India. Mixed vegetables can be seen in accordance to height, temperature and rainfall regions. That means towards the foothill, the trees will be quite high, they will be green, there may be evergreen trees. But as the height increases, the number and the height of the trees also will be reduced. And in the alpine regions or beyond, the trees will not survive because of the extreme cold and obviously because of the ice. At the foothill of Himalayas or Shivalik areas, tropical deciduous forests are found. And in this region, Sal is the most important tree of these regions. Above the Shivalik, temperate deciduous forests are seen. The important trees of these regions are oak, chestnut and cheer. The higher the altitude, the coniferous forests are found. The trees are pine, cedar, fir, deodar and spruce. So you can clearly see there are three different regions here. The Shivalik areas, the above the Shivalik areas and even the higher altitude. So all these three regions, they have got different types of forests are found in the same mountainous region. One is the tropical deciduous, the other one is the temperate deciduous, and at the top we will have got the coniferous forests. These forests are, they are snow sustained, not sustained, they so snow resistant forest. In spite of having snows also, they may grow or survive. And some of the important trees of these regions of these forests are cheer. It is a kind of pine. It's a pine tree useful for extraction of resin, turpentine, tea chests, means tea boxes in which the tea is packed for import. It is mainly found in Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Fir. It is soft and white in color. It is used for pulp, paper, matches, packing cases and planking. Deodar. It is durable, oily and strong. It is used for railway sleepers and constructions. It is mostly found in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. We are just keeping our balls rolling. So children, in spite of all this odd, let us keep our teaching and learning process on. Wish you all the best. From next week onwards, you will be having the summer vacation officially, and although it is summer vacation officially, you have been enjoying summer vacation ever since you wrote your this year's final semester exam. However, keep in touch with your studies. Wish you all the best.